Investing in mutual funds made easy with FundsIndia. Search for www.fundsindia.com on Google. Click on our website link. Fill the form on our homepage. Enter your PAN details, date of birth and account type. Select the product of your choice. For an SIP, select mutual funds. The dashboard appears. Our expert advisors will be ready to help you to select a fund that suits you. The page with the fund details appears. Enter the amount and SIP date. Check the valid till cancelled and the terms and conditions checkboxes. Enter the additional information and choose the options in the radio buttons. Enter the nominee details. Enter your bank details. Approve the monthly payment details. Submit your bank mandate and complete your payment. Congratulations, you've successfully made your first investment. So what are you waiting for? Start investing with FundsIndia.